The DRB update for you guys. Again, guys, in my previous video of DRB, I compared the price action to what I've seen in the past before, and DRB is doing exactly what I'm hoping for it to do, right? Is now a good time to buy DRB? Yes, I think it is, right? The longer we could stay above this and hold support above the 20 mil market cap level, the easier it'll be for us to, break through the previous all-time high, right? Last time, you can see right here, this was the previous all-time high at around 41 mil. We went up to touch it, but it instantly got rejected, right? Instantly got rejected at the previous all-time high. But what is great about the DRB chart, which is why I had to get exposure at this level, right, for DRBs, because once we break through the previous all-time high of 41 mil market cap right here, the sky is the limit, right? The sky is going to be the limit for DRB. You could potentially see the next move to 100 mil, 200 mil, even $1 billion market cap once it breaks through this previous high, right? It's basically the Murad thesis, what Murad looks for in projects, right? Multiple 90% drawdowns, that's one, right? That's two, right? Multiple 70 to 90% drawdowns, right? And then once that happens, right, another, big drawdown right here. Once that happens and the project is able to go on to make a new high, let me, make this a little bit easier to see. So once that happens, the project, tests its previous all-time high and then goes on to make a new high. That's it. You have you have a cult. You have, a massive, successful project on your hands, right? Again, DRB is launched by Grok AI. So Grok AI on X, I'm sure you guys seen it. A lot of the gooners on X are, making Grok put a bunch of women in bikinis and stuff like that. It's crazy. But yeah, Elon Musk created Grok AI. Grok AI, is a AI tool like Chat GPT and OpenAI, Gemini, Claude, etc. Right? So Grok launched DRB through the Clanker system, or banker bot through Clanker, etc. Right? All of those are tied together. Grok launched DRB, first project Grok ever launched, and all the fees that are generated goes to the Grok wallet, right? The Grok wallet is not going to be able to be touched unless, Grok is suddenly autonomous and like, okay, I have access to this wallet now, right? I don't know if that's ever going to happen though. But you could just consider the Grok wallet as a burn wallet. That amount in the Grok wallet is never going to be moved, traded or tradable or anything unless Grok is all of a sudden autonomous and then could, use AI, be an AI tool that could, do things on chain, which is going to be crazy if we ever get to that point. But the fees that are generated is a great marketing tool, right? Right now, Grok has millions in his wallet. And, the speculation here is that Elon Musk is going to see that and be like, yo, what is happening here with this project? And then boom, Elon mentions it, talks about it. And then all of a sudden you see DRB, skyrockets out of here, right? Like I mentioned, I made comparisons to like a Floki. Elon Musk adopted a Shiba Inu dog called Floki and bought a dog called Floki, and then he posted it on X by Shiba Inu's name is Floki, right? And then someone created the Floki project, and then that went to 3 billion market cap in 2021, and recently in 2024 went to 3 billion again. So it crashed in the bear market and then went back up to 3 billion market cap twice, right? So you can see the same thing here with DRB. So that's why I'm bullish, right? I wish I bought the lows, but hey, now is the best time. We're on a dip right now, so now is the best time as ever, right? And I see multiple X's ahead for this. I potentially see again 100 mil to maybe $1 billion market cap. Truly could be the case here. Some people are calling for 10 billion, 50 billion for DRB because it is an AI project as well. First AI project created by Grok is an extremely bullish narrative. So I think it definitely has upside here. So now's a great time to get exposure, right? You don't have to overexpose yourself, guys. You could just buy $230 here. It goes to 100 mil market cap. Your $230 becomes $1,000, and it goes to $1 billion market cap. Your $230 becomes $10,000. Is $10,000 a lot of money? Yes, it is. Don't let the crypto Twitter brain make you think 10K is not a lot of money. Because you know why it's a lot of money? You could reinvest it. That's why it's a lot of money, right? So as always, none of this is financial advice, guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. And I'll catch you in the next